are having Rudra Soni with us. Rudra, first of all, give your brief introduction.
So hi everybody, my name is Rudra Soni and I am an 8th grader from DV Public School Amritsar. So my father is going to ask me some questions about COVID-19 and here they come.
Okay, Rudra, all of us know about COVID. There is no need to tell that what exactly is COVID. As you are very analytic and we discuss a lot, I want to ask you that how do you place India in the fight of COVID so far?
India is at a critical stage right now. It might go in the direction of South Korea or in the direction of United States. South Korea did a lot of testing and this is very important. We should conduct a rapid testing kits. They are now producing in India only. We should conduct a lot of tests so we could know who actually has the COVID and how many people actually had it. So we could know the scale of spread. So now I think that is a critical movement and we may go in the direction of United States or South Korea. And you know what America is going for.
So, lockdown is helping India or not?
It's actually helping a lot. So as you know that over the last few days, the count of the COVID cases in Delhi went down a lot. But then in the last 2 days when the lockdown was lifted, there was a spike in COVID-19 cases. So I think that the COVID-19 the lockdown should be extended indefinitely and should only be relaxed when the government thinks that it is okay to go outside and India is corona free.
So, you feel that China did a better job as a communist country to contain the COVID as compared to democratic countries?
It's actually a difficult choice because China covered up a lot in the early days, which when it could have been contained, and if it had not done the cover up, we may not be in this position. But it also put drastic measures into the place after they saw the scope of the situation. I think that in China there is no right of the people, so it's very easy to just put a lockdown without having a vote. But in democratic countries like USA, India, we have to be a lot more cautious because our government is buying for and helping the public. So we have to have the support of the public to put a lockdown in place.
So, you mean to say the democratic countries, it is relatively difficult to contain the COVID crisis?
So you could say that.
Okay, so like the problem is like the economy is going in a way. What is your take on economy post COVID?
Yeah, post-COVID economy could be very better or it could be a lot worse. I would give the example of the Spanish flu. We had both variations in the Spanish flu, like from 1920 to 1929, I think there was the booming 20s. Like the stock market went like 500% or something, and there was exponential growth. But then because we didn't quite control the spread, didn't quite control how the economy went, we had the Great Depression, which was like the biggest kind of like the depression in the history of human beings. So I think we have to be cautious what happens after the COVID-19 outbreak because we have to be cautious that we do not get another of the Great Depression and it might be worse than the last one.
As we are now connected very closely with the WhatsApp, Facebook, the electronic media is very fast as compared to
Mail.
1920s. So, can't we have the more bad news in future? What is your take?
I think you're talking about people forwarding fake messages. So that's actually happening a lot in India in these days. So I think that we should take this to ourselves and we have to stop spreading fake news because it can be lethal for some people. Like it also happened before the COVID-19 and it's happening now. So Now we have to follow the government guidelines, and they have already published guidelines about fake news. So we shall not produce nor forward any fake news or any news that seems unreliable. So we do not forward any messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter.
So the last question which I want to ask you, that what is your take on COVID warriors, like how they are treated in India? Like there are multiple spectrums. So what do you think about them?
Yeah, there are multiple spectrums. Like at one time, they are regarded as the god, like the little god, because actually I think they are the god because every religious place in the world is closed. Only the only places where people are saved, where people now go to say to save to save their loved ones is the hospital. So in my own personal aspect, they are the gods, but some people regard them as their, like, I don't want to say this, but regard them as their enemy. They think that they are COVID carriers, and but I want to say one thing: if uh, God forbid that this thing happens, if any member of your family gets COVID-19, those are the people which are going to save us. And if we start to envy them, we are going to be in such a bad shape. You won't know it. Thank you.
So what are your take on, like the incidents happen in AIMS, the residents of the medical college, they are not allowed to go back to their home. The same thing is happening in Mumbai.
Yeah. So my father said it right, and people are also trying to like beat up people. I think in some city, a doctor went for a checkup, and she was almost caught, and they were throwing stones at her. So I think that they are just like, are they dreading people? Are they dreading the doctors, or they trying to like scare them? I seriously don't know. If they are dreading the doctors, there is nothing to be feared of. They are the people who are going to save us, and if we are trying to scare them, then God knows what you are doing.
So how do you take the, what do you feel that India will be after 6 months, 1 year down the line?
I think that if India put a little bit more effort, and by a little bit more effort, I mean that more rapid testing kits, more strict guidelines for lockdown, that's very important. We should not let our progress be made back to zero, because what we are doing in Delhi is exactly that. So I think we should put a little bit more effort, and after 6 months, if we put a little bit more effort, I imagine myself in the school and playing with my friends. But it could also happen. It could also occur like the other way around.
Thank you.